Most people know how to trade, but they don't know how to avoid losses in crypto trading and how to identify up and down trends. In this video, I will be sharing with you a simple trading strategy that can help you to find or identify up and down trends. To identify up and down trends, you can use this website called Quick10x. This is the best and simplest website you can use to identify crypto trends. Let me show you how it works. I open the coins list. Here you can see the top uptrend coins list, which is currently in an uptrend. Here you can set a time frame. Suppose I want to see 1 hour of top uptrends, so I choose 1 hour. Here you can see the list which is currently in an uptrend in an hour time frame. Let me show you this on the chart. I copy LRCUSDT and then I paste it here. Here you can see that LRC is going up in an hour time frame. So this is how you can use this website to identify trends. Let's go back and change the time frame to 15 minutes. It shows that LRC is an uptrend in the 15-minute time frame. Let's check it on the charts. Here you can see that it is an uptrend. Now let's check a coin from the downtrend list. Here you can see that this coin is in a downtrend on the 15-minute chart. So you can use this website to identify trends. Besides this, you can check Binance Spot, up and down trends as well. Click on the Binance Spot, set a time frame, and you will see up and down trends lists. This is a paid service, so if you want to subscribe to a plan, just go to the subscription. And here you can subscribe to 1 month, 3 month, and 6-month plan. You can get a discount on each plan if you enter the discount code which is available in the video description. If you are a beginner trader and you don't know technical analysis, then this website can help you out. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching.